Hi guys, with this video I'm going to show you how to defrost a pound of ground beef in my Ninja Foodie. You can do it in the microwave. I hate my microwave, so I choose to do it this way. Plus it also drains the grease down away from the meat, so it doesn't have to be drained out of the meat. Okay, so as you can see, this is an inner pot that goes into it. There, I have filled this in with 1 cup of water. I then insert my insert. I will put the lid on, set it to seal, turn it on. I will pressure cook. I'll leave it on high, and I'll go ahead and, alright, and I'm just going to go ahead and set this for 18 minutes on high. And press start. That'll do its countdown, pressurize, then 18 minutes, I will be back. Okay, and at this time you can see that I have not actually PC'd the meat to the point that it is completely cooked, for the fact that I do not like the texture that it gives. I want to actually saute it in my pot and brown it like normal now that it's defrosted. Here, as you can see, and so now we have our ground beef all nice and brown. If you like it a little bit darker, go ahead. We don't like it that way, so I actually like to finish cooking it with the onion soup. You'll notice pretty instantaneously. Just give that a quick stir. You'll notice immediately pretty much that that onion soup comes to a boil. Go to a good boil, and then you're going to reduce it down to a simmer. Simmer it for 20 minutes. Don't let the liquid all run out. If the liquid starts to run out, then go ahead and turn it off. It'll be done. But for the most part, we like to do it with the pressure lid on the saute at medium-low. Alright, so I've now set it to low-medium. I'll put a timer on my phone for 20 minutes. And I have set the seal to vent. And I like to put it up on that lip. Alright, so after 20 minutes, I came back and it had simmered just fine. You could tell by the darkness of the color of the meat, but you can see that there's still some juice in here. So I'm going to go ahead and bump the heat up to a high again, and I'm going to just reduce that down so that it's thicker. Actually, almost evaporated. But not evaporate to the point that it's completely gone, because that dries the meat out. And so after just a few minutes, you notice that it's been boiled and that it is starting to thicken when you know that it's not really running to each other anymore and it's sticking to the meat like that. That's about where I turn it off, because of the fact that I like it to be able to also be reheated the next day. But it also adds flavor to drip into the bun. And when we go to serve the onion burgers, we go ahead and just use the plain old white bun that you get at the store. Even if you don't have white bun, you got white bread, or you want a fancier bun, to each his own. That's just something that we do. We don't make anything too fancy-dancy around here, just as long as it tastes good. Any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below, and hope you enjoyed. Have a great night.